Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Jacobs. I'm a doctor of physical therapy and I'm the inventor of advanced soft tissue release ASTR specialty. I'm also a cancer survivor and I used to suffer from chronic migraines, headaches, pain and fatigue before I invented ASTR specialty. Matt, tell me what you're doing for a living and why you signed up for ASTR class.
I own my own business. I own a couple businesses, and the reason I signed up for the class is because I've had a hurt knee for over the last year, and I was looking for some more information on how to help me get it healed.
So today is the third day of the class, and you received the training, the tools. What is your perception now after taking the class? How that benefits you, or what do you think about the class?
I really liked the class. I was thrilled to learn a lot of the different stuff about nutrition and a lot of other things, not just the manual stuff. But that's the manual stuff's my first priority. But then I learned there's a lot more to it
than just using the tools.
Right.
Okay. So, because of your background and the class, do you feel you're comfortable to using the tools?
Yes.
After taking the class?
Yes.
Okay,
yeah.
so you can use it on yourself or someone you know or something like that.
Family members,
Yes.
You bet.
So, like, what do you think about the result? Like, have you worked on someone or you received treatment on yourself? What have you been seeing and like after this training from personal experience with the treatment?
The treatment on myself is really what I can speak to, and immediately the pain went way down, and I was able to move like I haven't been able to move in a while. So
you said how long was your knee?
It's been a year.
Okay.
It's kind of off and on pain though. The more active I get, the more painful it becomes.
Okay. All right. So what would you say to healthcare provider about ASTR training?
I think it's essential. I really think that it's what's coming. You know, you're on the tip of the iceberg, I think, and hopefully a lot of other people are going to get on board.
Yeah, awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you, boss.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Feel free to subscribe to my channel to get helpful tips on how to relieve pain. And if you are a healthcare provider and interested to be ASTR certified, you can follow the link below. You will get information on how to register for ASTR online class. There's over 40 studies that support ASTR treatment model, and also there's over 400 studies that utilize by ASTR treatment. And feel free to check over 220 videos that most of them actually real treatment videos. We'll see you soon.